Tau Ceramica. A word reference brand in the ceramic industry for the extraordinary technical and aesthetic quality of our product. For our constant commitment to innovation and social and environmental commitment. Always growing with leadership and enthusiasm. We create ceramic solutions that help our clients in their growth and differentiation. With a shopping experience based on empathy and feel and mix. We combine different types of products, formats, reliefs, and finishes in our mood boards. Mixing with taste and feeling, understanding what each client needs and facilitating their decision-making. Therein lies the great value of Tau. A great brand whose origins date back to 1967 in Castellón, a land of excellent clays and great ceramic tradition. From the beginning, we have committed to innovation. In the 1960s, we incorporated tunnel kilns for the first time, replacing the traditional Arabic kilns and becoming the European leader in ceramic bisque. Making the technological leap to single firing in the 1980s, and creating our porcelain tile in 1994, a milestone in the history of ceramic materials, and for which we invested in the most technologically advanced plant in Spain. A history of constant change and innovation, which has led Tau Ceramica today to have a great human team and a system based on integrated production plants. With state-of-the-art facilities capable of adapting to continuous technical and product innovations, and constant growth in production capacity and market. Always the highest accredited standards of quality and respect for the environment, with global EPD certifications, LEED, Floor Score, ISO 9001, NFU-PEC, and recycling declarations. Tau Ceramica has been part of the Parmesa Group since 2016. This adhesion has been accompanied by major investments that have increased Tau Ceramica's production in logistics capacity, making it a key player in Parmesa Empresarial Group, the largest Spanish tile manufacturer in Spain and Europe. Today, Tau Ceramica has a production plant with a production capacity of more than 55,000 square meters per day, more than 19 million square meters annually. A warehouse covered with solar panels that houses more than 3.5 million square meters worth of stock. Offices with a 3-story showroom. Increasing in number of employees and growing in annual turnover close to 100 million euros. Always committed to the environment. Focusing on energy efficiency and the use of our own cogeneration systems, and developing a zero landfill policy, where water from the manufacturing process is recycled internally. We are present in more than 150 countries, and we are reaching more than 2,250 customers, with the mission to make life easier for each of them, offering them designs, materials, and ideas to comfortably carry out all their projects. Tau Ceramica, inspiration for your dreams.